Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. This is part 5 of presentation by myself, Brahmadeshan Narsimhayya Venkataraman, on INFLAPRO and systematic withdrawal plan. We have completed 4 sessions of inflation protected return with systematic withdrawal plan and are now presenting part 05 of this INFLAPRO and systematic withdrawal plan. I have developed web pages for the alternative methods to conventional schemes with INFLAPRO. Let me explain the INFLAPRO in demo sessions. Before going to the complicated systematic withdrawal plan in mutual fund, let me explain the INFLAPRO concept in funds such as pension, loan and other schemes. Following illustrations are applicable to viewing in computer rather than viewing in mobile. Visit bnvenkat.com in Firefox or Google Chrome and look for the link of INFLAPRO LIC pension and click on it. Now we will see. Please open a browser and visit bnvenkat.com. bnvenkat.com and locate for INFLAPRO LIC pension. It is here. You can click on this. You click it and open the page of INFLAPRO LIC pension. You can also visit INFLAPRO top page to briefly know the definition of INFLAPRO. See what is INFLAPRO, etc. available here. Let us go back to LIC menu. In INFLAPRO LIC pension menu page, the right hand side you can find some narrations and placeholder for principal 1 lakh rupees. Leave it as such for the time being. On the left hand side we can see tables of rates of LIC, Jeevan Akshay 4 and 6 and also PMVYY, that is Prime Minister Vayavardhana Yojana of LIC scheme, old one and new one, and then also LIC Jeevan Akshay 7 as of 25th August 2020 and so on. Even though as on February 1, 2022, these schemes have revised rates of Jeevan Akshay 7, and for this demo we will consider Jeevan Akshay 6. For such schemes and future schemes, there is a separate menu for mock LIC pension. This table contains the rates applicable for various entry ages from 30 to 80 and corresponding option in 1 to 7. These options and descriptions is available on the right hand side of the page, such as option 1, annuity payable for life at uniform rate, and so on. Also this page has got change in life expectancy. Life expectancy is considered as 85 years and leave it as such, no problem. For inflation protection also there is a field for changing it. Please leave this as such. Now let us come back to this LIC Jeevan Akshay 6. For age 60, Under the option 1, we got a figure of 8,700 per annum per lakh of rupees investment. Let us click this option 1, 8,700 corresponding to age 60. We will come to a page of chart of INFLAPRO. Headings are seen here: pension scheme LIC Jeevan auction in rupees, Jeevan Akshay 6 in rupees. The principal is 1 lakh rupees, etc. The rate of interest calculated was 7.15345%. We can also see this in the subheading as interest rate is 7.15344%. And then the leftmost column is for the year, term of the year as well as age. From 61 onwards, one gets a return of 8,700 rupees in the conventional scheme. Option 1, 2, 3 are conventional schemes, 4 to 12 are inflation protected schemes, and option 13 is cumulative option, which is just given for reference. The headings column containing this option 1, 2, 3, 4 are clickable, and this, on clicking this will toggle the hide or show of this corresponding columns 1, 4, 7, 10. Option 2, similarly we can click, corresponding columns are hidden. We will open back. Option 1 is now visible. Here we have got the figure of 8.7% per year, and after 85 years, if the annuitant survives, he gets further pension of 8,700. Now we come to this option 4. Option 4 starts with annuity in the first year with rupees 3,073 and goes up and increases by 10% on every year and goes up to 30,277 or 30.27% in the 85th year. And on survival beyond that 85 years, further pension will be the default to 8,700, not the continuing inflation protection. Now it will be a flat rate of 8.7 beyond 85 years, because we have considered life expectancy of 85 years. If a person, if the annuitant dies before 85 years, then LIC will be parting with less rate of interest. If it is beyond 85 years, then LIC's interest will be slightly more than this 7.15%. In option 7, is such that return varies from 1.7% to 17.28%, and further annuity is at 17.27%, not at this default value. And there is a surrender value also in this option at 241% of the principal in this option. If your 10 is such that one gets 2.23% in the first year and goes up to 22% in 25th year with a 10% increase every year, and after 85th year the pension would be at flat rate of 11%, which is half the last annuity that would have been drawn. In this case also there is a maturity amount or the surrender value after the term of 20 years, that is age of 85. There is a surrender value of 153% of the principal. 1,53,776 rupees. We will continue this demo session in the next session. The scheme so far discussed can be summarized as follows. In conventional option 1, the return is 8.7% uniform with return of principal equal 0. In INFLAPRO option 4, the return is 3.07% to 30.28% with a return of principal equal to 0. Or the end term benefits are same as conventional. In INFLAPRO option 7, the return is 1.7% to 17.28% with return of principal equal to 241.53% of principal. Our end term benefits are different than conventional. In INFLAPRO option 10, the return is 3.23%, 23% with return of principal equal to 153.78% of principal. Or the end term benefits are different than conventional. In all these cases of conventional option 1, INFLAPRO option 4, 7, 10 and even in other cases to be discussed, the internal rate of return is same as 7.15344%. The live video session in accessing the website and pages will continue in next session. The aim of the exercise is to explain the alternate rates of annuity pension to conventional ones. Thank you. The description box below contains also the link for PDF format in these pages, so that one can watch the figures leisurely and with more clarity. Thanks for watching. I request those not yet subscribed to please subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.